Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Dermave Trimmer 2.0. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just a shaver for your hair on your body. But it is mostly geared or focused or targeted towards women since the name is the Bikini Shaver. So as you can see, it is a 2-in-1 electric bikini trimmer with IPX7 waterproof wet and dry hair trimmer with dual head design for both body and facial hair removal. So if you don't know what this is, basically it's just like any other trimmer. However, it is just electric and with this type of head. And this type of trimmer is basically just like any other trimmer. The difference is it's just electric, and basically you can just stick this trimmer to your body and you won't get hurt or you won't get nicks and cuts. So if you're wondering, as you can see, it is rated 1.8 out of 5 stars, which is pretty bad here on Amazon, and with 9 ratings. So let's head up and down there to see the reviews. But before that, a lot of you have been asking me, how do I do this research so fast? I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So the link is in the description down below for you to check out. And with that out of the way, let's read some reviews. So as you can see, there's a terrible product, defective, razor burn. That's not a good indicator of a good product. Poor quality, actually perfect. And these two maybe have been paid or maybe have been inflated or paid to give a 5-star review. However, it doesn't affect the overall performance of the product. So in my advice is to buy a real shaver from a store like in the mall or any store that sells shavers, and not from these shady online sellers that may have been just dropshipped from Alibaba or any from China. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.